A new NOAA model of yesterday's X2 class solar flare and CME suggests that the CME might not miss Earth. The storm cloud could graze our planet on December 3rd. Moreover, the CME will scoop up a solar wind stream just ahead of it, adding heft to the potential impact. G2 class geomagnetic storms are possible on December 3rd through the 4th. On September 1, 1859, English astronomer Richard Carrington sketched the most famous sunspot in history. While Carrington was watching an image of the sun projected on a screen, the sunspot produced a blinding X45 class solar flare, followed 2 days later by a planet-wide geomagnetic storm. We call it the Carrington event. Two large active sunspots has just emerged from the eastern limb of the sun. Sunspot 4294 and 4296. How does today's giant sunspot compare to Carrington's? Here is the answer. The image shows Carrington's drawing of the 1859 sunspot inserted to scale on a December 2, 2025, image of sunspot complex 4294 and 4296. They're about the same size. The surface area of Carrington's sunspot was tilde 2300 millionths of the solar disk. The surface area of 4294 and 4296 is 2080 millionths, about 90% as large. To be clear, 4294 and 4296 is actually two sunspots. Their close proximity makes them appear as a single behemoth, an unfair advantage versus Carrington. Even so, strong explosions are likely. The crowding of the two sunspots' magnetic canopies raises the odds of reconnection and an X-flare of their own. Any explosions today will be geo-effective. Here is a X-flare that occurred on sunspot 4299, which caused a lot of plasma to be blasted out through space. This LASCO C2 and C3 filter shows the CME as it expands, moving away from the sun.